The risks of smoking are well known, but despite the dangers, people continue to puff away at an alarming rate. Even worse, statistics show that 90% of smokers start the habit as children. Lorene Cachola joins us once again to show how some in our area are getting kids to butt out at an early age and how you can prevent this nasty habit from affecting your child's health.
The days of Joe Camel may be gone like a puff of smoke, but the sight of kids smoking still lingers on like the strong smell of a cigarette. For many teens and preteens, the need to fit in is just too compelling.
Peer pressure begins very, very young. I have a 10-year-old son who is, I'm sure, experiencing peer pressure even in the 5th grade.
That's why parents like Karen are making a special effort to reach kids before they feel the pressure to light up. As a member of the JCs, Karen is involved in a national push to reach out to local schools and educate children on the dangers of smoking.
Every child gets a folder that has not only a pre and post test, but lots of information in there, pictures, the games, different activities that a student and teacher can utilize when learning about smoking and hopefully not smoking. We have done some skits before and have the children actually do the play along with us so that, you know, you give them a real life scenario and have them respond as to how best to handle a situation.
For Karen's son Ryan, that preparation is paying off already. Anyone approaching him with a pack of smokes is just wasting time.
I know what to do and what not to do. So if somebody came up and asked me, do you want a cigarette, I'd just say, no, I don't do that kind of stuff.
But many do. Pediatrician Cynthia Cross sees it all of the time and has this advice for parents. If you don't take the time to educate your children now as to the dangers of smoking, they could be paying a huge price later.
Arm him with information. The cigarette smoke damages the lining of your breathing tubes, makes you more susceptible to infection, can lead to wheezing, can lead to a condition called emphysema later in life that will limit your quality of life.
Knowledge is power, and the power to say no to smoking can come from any number of informative anti-smoking websites. Sites like MD Anderson Cancer Center's Aspire at mdanderson.org, an interactive experience for kids of all ages.
What's up, bro? You want to smoke?
What's wrong with you, man? You know I don't want to smoke.
If you teach your child to say no to smoking, make sure you say yes to family fun time and activities that will keep them away from bad habits. One other note, be on the lookout for telltale signs your child may have already picked up the habit and take steps to help them quit immediately.
Sometimes they'll have an increase in the number of respiratory infections they get, or they have that little where they're clearing their throat more, or they have that early morning smoker's cough. You might also sniff their clothing.
Whatever it takes, the future of your child's health depends on you clearing the air about the reality of smoking.
I want him to be able to live a long, healthy life, and everything I can do right now to help promote that is certainly what I'll do.
For Smart Medicine, I'm Lorene Cachola.